Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Steve, back with another travel adventure, and let me tell you, this one is huge. We are about to dive deep into one of the coolest cities in Europe. That's right, Hamburg, Germany. We're talking 15 epic locations you absolutely cannot miss. From mind-blowing model trains to the wildest nightlife, this city has it all. But before we jump into the craziness, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright guys, first up we're hitting up Miniatur Wunderland, and let me tell you, this place is next level. It's like stepping into a different universe. Imagine thousands of tiny trains running through meticulously crafted miniature worlds. We're talking entire cities, mountains, airports, and even bustling streets. You name it, they got it, all in miniature. The level of detail is just mind-blowing. The detail is unbelievable. I swear some of these tiny people are about to blink. It's like they have their own little lives. It's like falling down the rabbit hole into a world of pure imagination. Every corner you turn, there's something new to discover. You could literally spend days in here and still not see everything. There's just so much to take in, from the tiniest details to the grandest scenes. If you're in Hamburg, this place is a must-see. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing adventures. Next up, we're checking out the Elbphilharmonie, and guys, this building is a masterpiece. The architecture is like something out of a futuristic movie, all glass and curves and soaring lines. And the inside is even more incredible, with a concert hall that's supposed to have some of the best acoustics in the world. Even if you're not a huge classical music fan, you gotta experience this place. The views from the top are insane. You can see the whole city. It's like Hamburg's own little slice of heaven. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, time for a history lesson, but don't worry, this one is actually cool. We're diving into the heart of Hamburg, a city with a rich and fascinating past. We're walking through the Speicherstadt, which is basically a giant warehouse district. But these aren't your average warehouses. This place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. We're talking massive brick buildings built over 100 years ago, with these cool little canals running through them. These canals were once bustling with boats transporting goods from all over the world. It's like stepping back in time. You can almost hear the merchants shouting and the horses' hooves on the cobblestones. Imagine the hustle and bustle of the past, with traders negotiating deals and the air filled with the scent of spices. They've even got some cool museums and cafes here now, so you can soak up the atmosphere. You can learn about the history of trade and commerce, or just relax with a coffee and watch the world go by. Trust me, this place is Instagram gold. The architecture, the history, the vibe, it's all perfect for your next post. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. Alright guys, get ready to climb. We're heading up St. Michael's Church, one of the most iconic landmarks in Hamburg. The church itself is beautiful, all Baroque architecture and intricate details. But the real reason to come here is the view from the top. You climb up this winding staircase, it's a workout, I'm not gonna lie. And then, bam! You're hit with this panoramic view of the entire city. You can see everything from here, the harbor, the Elbphilharmonie, even the wind turbines in the distance. It's breathtaking, seriously. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, time for a little break from all the sightseeing. We're chilling out in Planten and Blomen, which is basically Hamburg's Central Park. It's this huge green space right in the middle of the city, with beautiful gardens, ponds, fountains, even a Japanese garden. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle for a little while and just relax. They even have concerts and events here in the summer, so check out their website before you go. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's get back to the water, because Hamburg is all about that harbor life. We're taking a walk along the harbor front, and guys, this place is buzzing. There are ships everywhere you look, from giant container ships to little sailboats, and the air smells like salt and seagulls. You can take a harbor cruise, visit the Maritime Museum, or just grab a coffee and watch the world go by. This is Hamburg's beating heart, and it's an experience you won't forget. Don't forget to subscribe. Chapter 7. Reeperbahn. Let's get this party started. Alright guys, the sun is set and it's time to experience Hamburg's wild side. We're heading to the Reeperbahn, which is basically the city's red light district, but it's also so much more than that. There are bars, clubs, theaters, restaurants, everything you could possibly imagine, all packed into one crazy street. It's a little bit gritty, a little bit glamorous, and a whole lot of fun. Just be prepared for anything because the Reeperbahn is full of surprises. Don't forget to subscribe. Chapter 8. Alster Lakes. Escape the city. Okay, time for a little escape from the city, but don't worry, we're not going far. Just a short trip away, we find ourselves at the stunning Alster Lakes. We're taking a boat trip on the Alster Lakes, which are these two beautiful lakes right in the heart of Hamburg. These lakes offer a perfect blend of nature and urban life. It's hard to believe you're still in the city when you're out here. Everything is so peaceful and green. The lush greenery and serene environment make it feel like a hidden oasis. You can rent a boat, go for a swim, or even try some paddle boarding if you're feeling adventurous. Or just relax on the shore and enjoy the views. The shores are perfect for a picnic or simply unwinding with a good book. It's the perfect way to spend a sunny afternoon. The vibrant atmosphere and scenic beauty make it a must-visit. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Chapter 9, Hamburg Rathaus, City Hall with Style. Alright, back to the city center, and this time we're checking out the Hamburg Rathaus, which is basically the city hall. But this is no ordinary city hall, guys. This building is huge, and I mean huge, with this incredible neo-Renaissance architecture that will blow your mind. You can take a tour inside or just admire it from the outside. Either way, you'll be impressed. It's a true symbol of Hamburg's power and prestige. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, time to grab some food, and there's no better place to do that than the Hamburg Fish Market. This place is crazy, guys. It's this huge outdoor market that's been running for over 300 years. You can find every kind of fish imaginable here, from fresh-caught salmon to giant tuna, and the vendors are always happy to give you a taste. It's loud, it's chaotic, it's smelly, but it's an experience you won't forget. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright. Time for a little more history, but this time it's all about ships. We're checking out the International Maritime Museum, which is basically a giant love letter to all things nautical. They've got everything here, from ancient maps and model ships to actual lifeboats and submarines. You could easily spend a whole day here and still not see everything. It's the perfect place for anyone who's ever dreamed of sailing the seven seas. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, time to meet some furry friends. We're heading to Tierpark Hagenbeck, which is one of the oldest zoos in the world. But this isn't your average zoo, guys. The animals here have tons of space to roam around in these huge open enclosures, so it feels more like you're on safari than at a zoo. They've got everything from lions and tigers to elephants and penguins, plus a bunch of other cool animals you've probably never even heard of. It's a great place to spend a day with the family. Don't forget to subscribe. Chapter 13. Kunsthalle Hamburg, Art Attack. Okay, time to get our culture on. We're visiting the Kunsthalle Hamburg, which is one of the most important art museums in Germany. They've got an incredible collection of art here, from old masters to modern art, so there's something for everyone. Even if you're not a huge art buff, it's worth coming just to see the building itself, which is a beautiful example of 19th century architecture. Don't forget to subscribe. Chapter 14. Blankenese, Picture Perfect. Alright, time for a little escape to the countryside. We're taking a train to Blankenese, which is this adorable little village located right on the Elbe River. It's known for its charming houses, cobblestone streets, and stunning views of the river. It's the perfect place to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city and just relax. Grab a coffee, go for a walk, and soak up the scenery. Don't forget to subscribe. Chapter 15. Beatlesplatz. Yeah, alright guys, we've saved the best for last. We're ending our Hamburg adventure on a musical note at Beatlesplatz. This is the spot where the Beatles got their start, playing gigs in the clubs and bars around here before they became famous. Today it's a tribute to the band, with sculptures of the four members and a constant stream of music fans paying their respects. It's a must-visit for any Beatles fan, and a fitting end to our Hamburg adventure. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's a wrap on Hamburg, guys. From mind-blowing miniature worlds to rocking nightlife, this city has it all. I hope this video has inspired you to add Hamburg to your travel bucket list. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more epic travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.